Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Khmer of Phnom Penh, Cambodia. Today, I invited my American friend George, and we will chat about life in Cambodia. And today's dinner, obviously, this is a Japanese restaurant called Nigiri Love. Really wonderful Japanese restaurant here in Phnom Penh. Let me introduce my favorite sushi chef. He is one of the best chef in Cambodia, I can say to them. Maybe he will say hello to us a bit later, okay? So this is the Japanese restaurant in Phnom Penh. Okay, so I speak to you later. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, my American friend, I would like to introduce to you George Black. Mr. George Black. He's from New York. Hi, George. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for inviting me.
No. George, when was the first time to meet you?
Oh wow, we met maybe 3 years ago. More than 3 years ago.
3 years ago, right?
Yeah.
We met
in a little town called Thailand.
Thailand, yes. Since then, you see, we've been working together for our financial instruments. We are doing a lot of instruments such as currencies, stock indices, and various kind of financial instruments we are dealing with for Cambodian people. But today, we don't want to talk about the business. We want to talk about something more cultural. Anyway, cheers. Welcome to my favorite Japanese sushi restaurant.
Thank you.
Okay, cheers. And I ordered already. We call it omakase. So sushi chef will do the nigiri sushi.
Japanese?
No, he's a Cambodian.
Really?
Yeah. I told viewers, see, he's one of the best sushi chef in Cambodia.
Wow. How do you learn?
From his owner. The owner is a Japanese.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then he teaches all that.
Yes. It's a little bit different from the Cambodian snack. Okay? Eating is believing, right? Okay, easy. Use this.
So sea snail, yeah, I don't think I've ever had sea snail.
Take it out like this. A little bit chewy. I tell you, you don't need tasty, right?
Very good.
So, usually, what kind of food you are eating for, let's say, dinner?
Hamburger?
Hamburger?
Yeah.
He's American, you see.
Normally salmon, tuna. I like fish. I try not to eat too much meat now.
So you don't have any like or dislike for fish, right?
No fish.
That's great, yes. Anyway, today you enjoy the lot of varieties of fish.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
How do you like this?
No, really nice. Yeah. Yeah, I've never been here before.
It looks like this is a fisherman's.
Oh, the basket. Yeah. Wow. Awesome. And now is that authentic Japanese?
I think so. Yes. This is very authentic.
Do you think they imported those from the States? Very cool.
Decor.
It's full of fish.
That's what it is.
Nice.
So,
How about this wooden one here?
this is just design, right? Yeah, this is small. We call it Japanese pudding.
Japanese pudding?
Yeah, eating is really pudding. Okay, easy. Open the lid. Like this. And eat.
Not too hot.
Good off together.
Oh, this is like miso, huh?
It's not miso soup.
Oh, it smells like
miso soup. This is we call it chawan mushi. Chawan is this cup is called chawan. Mushi means steam cup.
Chawan mushi.
Chawan mushi.
Oh, I thought it was called mushi because this part is mushy.
No, mushi. Okay. How do you like it? Good?
Delicious.
Delicious?
Yeah.
Good.
I like
It's entirely different from food, right? And also American food. Hamburger. Yeah. So how do you find the Khmer food? Cheers.
Good.
You like Khmer food?
No, actually, I quite enjoy Khmer food.
I see.
How about you?
Me too. Particularly my favorite noodle, kuitiw.
Sukatil.
It's one of my favorite food restaurants.
Sukatil.
Yes. Also, you enjoy the food here. Yeah, that's very healthy food.
You know, I really like I like the Khmer soups. So I like salak curry, salak go, the beef soup, the chicken curry soup. The Khmer curry is red,
Yeah.
and the Thai curry is green, I think.
right,
Yeah.
Particularly, the green one I like for pork.
Yeah.
Sometimes we go out for lunch and we enjoy the very good Khmer food. The last time he invited me to the Thai restaurant, Mama Thai. Was it Mama Thai?
That's right. Yeah.
That was a Thai restaurant. Here in Cambodia, we can have a lot of international food.
That's right.
First of all, American food.
Actually, surprising.
Surprising,
There's
yes.
even American food here. Yeah.
But I just
Middle
wonder
Eastern.
why we don't have the McDonald's here in Cambodia.
No McDonald's. Burger
No
King.
McDonald's, the Burger King,
Yeah,
right?
no McDonald's.
In Japan, there are thousands and thousands of McDonald's.
I always wonder why no McDonald's here. Does anybody know why is there no McDonald's here?
Yeah. If you viewers are working for McDonald's, please give us a comment why you don't open the McDonald's restaurant here in Phnom Penh. Very good. Yeah.
A lot of the Khmer food is bitter, right?
Yeah.
Has it got bitter or
Bitter?
sour
Sour
sometimes?
and
yeah.
spicy, right?
Spicy, yeah, maybe sour spicy.
But compare with Vietnamese food, Cambodians, I think they like more sweeter taste. Or compared with the Thai people, the Thai people like very spicy and hot. The Cambodians, they like very sweet. Even the kutiu, sometimes I saw people are putting the sugar into the soup. Yeah, amazing.
Amazing.
Amazing. We don't do that. George, this is our sushi materials.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Sushi or sashimi?
At this moment, this is just a sliced fish, right? So this is sashimi. If you eat as they are, okay? But he's going to cook with the rice. But this rice, they put a little, we call it brown vinegar
Brown vinegar.
and little soup stock. So the rice taste is a little bit different from the ordinary steamed rice. Okay? Yeah. So he is my favorite sushi chef in Cambodia. Hey, hello, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay, yes, so please make a good sushi for my friend George. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Do this, do this, do this. Wow. Barbecue sushi. Okay. Mr. Black.
So, in America, what we do typically is whatever comes on the plate,
Yeah.
you have to mix it all together, right? Because that's what we think. If it's
Yeah.
on the plate, it must
Yeah.
be for mixing, right?
Yeah.
So we take a little of this ginger,
That's American style.
like this,
Yeah.
and then
Wasabi.
wasabi on top. And we're very careful so we don't break it.
Yeah. Whoop. What? Good?
Very good.
Okay. Good. Thank you very much. It's not a big compliment, right? True mind.
2 thumbs up.
Okay, good.